Hello dear viewers. Today we'll be comparing the best mirrorless cameras 2024 to help you find the model that suits you best. We'll examine the top cameras, comparing their performance and prices, pros and cons, and helping you discover which features align with your preferences. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Sony A7 IV. Its price is $2,500. According to our reviews, it is the best overall camera. The Sony A7 IV reigns supreme as the best all-around mirrorless camera for enthusiasts in 2024. It boasts a high-resolution megapixel sensor that captures stunning detail, even in low-light conditions. This makes it perfect for a wide range of photography applications, from capturing breathtaking landscapes to snapping candid portraits in dimly lit restaurants. Additionally, the A7 IV features Sony's latest autofocus system, which is lightning-fast and incredibly reliable. Whether you're tracking a cheetah on the African savanna or photographing your child's soccer game, the A7 IV will lock onto your subject and deliver sharp, crisp images. Pros: excellent all-arounder, great low-light performance. Cons: expensive, not ideal for super-fast action. Number 2. Canon EOS R10. Its price is $1,000. According to our reviews, it is the best budget camera. Stepping into the world of mirrorless photography can be daunting, but Canon's EOS R10 makes it a breeze. This camera is designed with beginners in mind, featuring intuitive controls and a user-friendly menu system. Helpful features like guided shooting modes and in-camera tutorials make it easy to learn the ropes of photography and capture stunning images from the get-go. But don't be fooled by its beginner-friendly nature. The EOS R10 packs a serious punch. It boasts a high-resolution sensor that delivers excellent image quality, even in low-light conditions. Plus, it offers excellent video capabilities, making it a great option for aspiring YouTubers or content creators. Pros: easy to use, great video for beginners. Cons: lower resolution sensor, limited pro features. Number 3. Sony A7R V. Its price is $4,246. According to our reviews, it is the best performance camera. For professional photographers who demand the absolute best in resolution and detail, the Sony A7R V is a dream come true. This high megapixel monster boasts an incredible sensor that captures a staggering amount of detail, allowing you to create razor-sharp images that can be cropped and enlarged without sacrificing quality. Paired with a brand new processing engine, the A7R V offers even better performance than its predecessor, with faster image processing and improved low-light capabilities. This powerhouse camera is built for serious photography applications, such as commercial photography, landscape photography, and portraiture, where every detail needs to be captured with stunning clarity. Pros: incredible detail, excellent low light for pro use. Cons: very expensive, bulkier body. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix S5 II. Its price is $2,000. According to our reviews, it is the best detailed camera. If you're a videographer looking for a camera that punches above its weight, look no further than the Panasonic Lumix S5 II. This mirrorless marvel shoots stunning 6K video footage, making it ideal for professional productions or even high-end YouTube content. Videographers will love features like anamorphic recording and internal 5-axis image stabilization, which keeps your footage smooth and shake-free even when shooting handheld. Plus, the S5 II offers a variety of professional codecs and color profiles to give you maximum flexibility in post-production. But the S5 II isn't just a video powerhouse. It also boasts a full-frame sensor that captures excellent photos, making it a versatile all-rounder for photographers and videographers alike. The lightweight and weather-sealed body makes it perfect for shooting on the go, whether you're capturing weddings, documentaries, or travel vlogs. Pros: superb 6K video, lightweight and weather-sealed. Cons: APS-C sensor in competitor models. Menus can be complex. Number 5. Canon EOS R7. Its price is $1,399. According to our reviews, it is the best, quickest camera. Canon's EOS R7 might have a smaller APS-C sensor compared to some on this list, but that doesn't hold it back one bit. This camera is a fantastic option for photographers who prioritize portability and performance. The APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality, especially in well-lit conditions. Plus, the EOS R7 boasts impressive low-light performance thanks to its advanced image processing engine. Where this camera truly shines is in its blazing fast burst shooting speeds. With the ability to capture images at over 30 frames per second, the EOS R7 is perfect for capturing fast action scenes, such as wildlife on the move or athletes in competition. The autofocus system is also lightning fast and accurate, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. Pros: super fast burst shooting, great low light for APS-C. Cons: smaller sensor versus full frame, limited pro video features, great. Feel free to let us know in the comments section which model is your favorite and what other comparisons you'd like to see. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.